In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up two-factor authentication in Xero step by step. Securing your Xero account is extremely important, especially if you're handling financial data, payroll, invoices, or sensitive client information. Two-factor authentication, also known as multi-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of security, so even if someone gets your password, they still can't access your account. I'll walk you through the entire setup process, from your dashboard all the way to completing verification on your phone. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile name or profile icon. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Account, which is located next to the Profile option. After clicking Account, you'll be taken to your account settings page. Here, scroll until you find the section labeled Multi-Factor Authentication. This is where you manage your two-factor authentication settings. If it's not already enabled, you'll see a green button that says Set Up. Go ahead and click that green Set Up button. On the next screen, click on Set Up Multi-Factor Authentication to begin the process. Xero will now ask you to choose your authentication method. You'll typically have the option to use Xero Verify or Google Authenticator. Both apps work well, so choose the one you prefer. If you don't already have one installed on your smartphone, open the App Store or Google Play Store and download either Xero Verify or Google Authenticator before continuing. Once the app is installed on your phone, return to your computer screen. Xero will display a QR code. Open your authentication app on your phone and tap the plus icon to add a new account. Choose the option to scan a QR code, then point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. The app will automatically link your Xero account. After scanning the QR code, your authentication app will immediately generate a 6-digit verification code. This code refreshes every few seconds, so make sure you enter it promptly. Go back to your computer and type the 6-digit code into the field provided in Xero. Double-check that you've entered it correctly, then continue to the next step. Next, Xero will ask you to enter a backup email address. This is very important because it allows you to recover access if you lose your phone or can't access your authentication app. Enter a reliable backup email address that you have access to. After entering the backup email, click Continue. Xero may ask you to confirm the setup. Follow any final prompts on the screen, and once everything is verified, click Done. That's it. Two-factor authentication is now successfully enabled on your Xero account. From now on, every time you log into Xero, you'll enter your password as usual, and then you'll be asked for a 6-digit code from your authentication app. This extra step only takes a few seconds, but it significantly increases your account security. And that's how to set up two-factor authentication in Xero step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Xero guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.